Hey food enthusiasts, welcome back to Jiangyi's Kitchen. Today I've got a mouth-watering recipe for you. Chicken Parmigiana, Jiangyi's style. So let's dive right in. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab those chicken thighs and let's pound them between some plastic wrap or parchment paper until they're about a quarter-inch thick. Next, let's set up our breading stations. In one dish, mix your flour, salt and pepper. In another, beat those eggs with a splash of water. Finally, in the third dish, combine your breadcrumbs, panko, marjoram and Parmesan cheese. Looking good, time to bread the chicken. Dredge each piece in the flour mixture, dip it in the egg and coat it in the breadcrumb mix. Press gently to make sure it sticks, easy peasy. Heat up some olive oil in a large sauté pan about half an inch deep, over medium-high heat. Fry those breaded thighs for 2-3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook them in batches if you need to. Once done, let them drain on a paper towel-lined cookie sheet. All right, assembly time. Smear a generous amount of tomato sauce over each piece of fried chicken. Top with a slice of fresh mozzarella. Pop them in the preheated oven and bake for 10-12 minutes until the cheese is melted and the sauce is bubbling. And there you have it, chicken Parmigiana, hot and bubbly. Crispy and cheesy, so enjoy this delicious dish. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing recipes from Jiangyi's Kitchen. See you next time.